Good morning students. Today I am gonna teach 6th maths knowing our numbers, continuation of the previous video. So first question, estimate the product using general rule. First question, 1291 into 592. In the previous class we have studied how to rounding of the number, how to estimate, then you are adding. Here also you have to round off these two numbers, then you have to find the product. So first we'll check. Okay, we'll check and see. So 1291, since it is in thousands, right? 1291, so we'll think of rounding off to thousands itself. 1291 is rounded off to so when you're rounding off to 1000, you have to see the hundreds place, right? So less than 500 means you will round it up to the previous only, so it will be 1000 itself. So here you have rounded off to thousands, rounded off to 1000. Next, 592. Since this is in hundreds, right? 500 hundreds, so we'll think of rounding off to hundreds. So is rounded off to, so when you're rounding up to 100, you have to look after tens place. So less than or greater than 50 you have to see. So greater than 50, so we'll round off to the next number, so that will be 600, right? So what we have rounded up here, rounded up to hundreds, right? Rounded off to 100. So now we'll find the product of these two. So what is that? 1000 into 600. So how will you multiply? Simple way. 6 ones are 6. Then put away the zeros. 1, 2, 3. Here 4, 5. So 6 lakh. So the product you got is 6 lakh. Let me check what is the actual product. Okay, 1291 into 592. So 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 twos are 4, 5, 2 ones are 2. Next, 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81. Carry here. 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 8, 26, 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Next, 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, carry here. 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 4, 14, again carry here. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 1, 6, so 2, 9 and 8, 9 plus 8 is 17, 5, 10, 11, 12, carry here. 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you got 7,64,272. What we have estimated 6 lakh, but the actual you got 7,64,000. So this cannot be the closer estimate. Okay, this may not, so we'll write this may not be the reasonable estimate. So what we'll do? You have to find the closer estimate. To get closer estimate, so when you rounded up to 1000 and rounded up to hundreds, you didn't get the closer estimate. This is wrong. It becomes not reasonable, because the actual multiplication is 7,64,000, but you got 6 lakh. So we'll try to find the closer estimate. How? We'll change the rounding off. Okay, 1291. Now we'll round off to hundreds. Okay, Now we'll first we have rounded off this to thousands, right? So now we will round it off to 100. 1291 is rounded off to nearest 100, nearest hundreds. So what it becomes when you round it off to 100? So when you rounding off to 100, you have to see the tens place. So it becomes it is greater than 50. So what will be 1300? It becomes 1300. Next, 592. 592 will round it off to 100 itself. We won't change this one. Okay, 592 is rounded off to nearest hundreds. That is, so when you round off to 100, you will get 600. Now find the product. So 1300 into 600. So what it becomes? Do ignore these zeros. We'll start with this. 6 3s are 18. 8 here, 1 carry. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Next, put away the zeros. 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. So unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 7,80,000. Now this is nearer to this, right? There is a lot of difference between this, right? Here 6 lakh and here 7,64,000. Now 7,64,000 and 7,80,000. This is nearer to this. So this is the closer estimate. Next, Roman numerals. So how will you write the numbers in Roman numbers? So this you all know, I think. So 1 to 10 you all are familiar with these Roman numbers. 1 will write Roman number in like this: 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Till here you will be familiar. Next, how will you write 20? So double X. 30 is triple X. 40 X and L. 50 you have to write as L. 60 LX. 70 L with double X. 80 L triple X. 90 XC. 100 is C. So 100 is C. Students, study these Roman numbers. So next question, write in Roman numerals. So they might ask like this. You have to write, they will ask one number and you have to write it in Roman numbers. So 69, how will you write this? Here 9, it is not there, right? Separate, it has not written. So we have to separate here. What we'll do, 69 is same as 60 plus 9, right? So what is 60? C. 60 means LX. So we will write LX. Plus what is 9? 9 you know already. Next, write it together. LX 1X. So this way you have to write it in Roman numbers. Let me take another example, that is 98. So how will you separate 98? 90 plus 8. So how will you write 90? XC, right? C, XC. Then 8 plus 8. Then together it becomes XC 8. Understood? Students, take down some homework problems. Estimate the product using general rule. 578 into 161. Second one, 5281 into 3491. Next question, write in Roman numerals. First one 44, second one 120. Students, write these homeworks in your homework book. Thank you.